Hello dear students, today I am going to start bank reconciliation statement. Start the theory portion. What do you mean by bank reconciliation statement? Bank reconciliation statement or short form BRS is a statement prepared mainly to reconcile the difference between the bank balance shown by the cash book and bank passbook. That means after you prepare double column cash book or triple column cash book, it is prepared a statement to reconcile the difference between bank balance shown by the cash book and bank passbook or bank statement. The difference between the balance of passbook and cash book may be done in the following reasons. Some of the reasons, that means the difference due to time gap to reconcile or recording the transactions. Okay, number 2, the differences due to errors made by trader or by bank. Now next discuss what are the importance of BRS. A BRS locates the errors or omission that may have been committed either on part of the customers or the bank. Number 2, by BRS we come to know the correct bank balance which will help us in making future transactions. Number 3, after comparing cash book with the passbook, real cash balances, when actual cash balance shown in the cash book or cashier may be found out after passing entries in the cash book. Number 4 importance, a BRS gives information about the unnecessary delay in collection of checks by the bank. Another point also, this statement keeps the account issued and check sent to bank for collection. That means as a result it is a statement to therefore prepare to identify the reasons for the difference and the reconcile the balance of the two. That means cash book equal to passbook. Such a statement is known as BRS. Now BRS you are prepared, so many tips would be followed by the students. Two statements are always clear, these two statements. One is the cash book and another is the passbook. Cash book maintained by the firm, owner or cashier or any staff, but passbook maintained by the bank. Suppose a customer open a bank account. Cash book, one is the cash book or short form C by B. Okay, now another, this is the cash book CB or passbook or short form P by B. This is the say debit and credit. This also debit and credit. Now debit means this side plus, that is the favorable. Okay, favorable balance. And in this sides minus means overdraft balance. Okay, passbook who is maintained by the only bank. Bank means double column or triple column cash book. You open a bank account. Generally businessmen open a bank account, not the savings account, current account open. Now passbook, this sides overdraft balance, and in this sides favorable balance. Okay, plus or minus. Now again short form, cash book means CB, who is maintained by the firm or owner or customer. Okay, now that is debited. Cash book debited means balance increases. Cash book credited, balance decreases. Okay, now PB, passbook, who is maintained only by the bank, either State Bank of India or UBI, etc. Now that is opposite entry. Your credited, passbook credited, that means balance increase. Passbook debited, balance decrease. This is the, now two types of cash book, types of BRS, types of BRS. One is the simple BRS, that is the positive balance, and number two, overdraft BRS, negative. Now starting your, suppose cash book balance given, starting cash book, the answer is the passbook, or passbook balance given, your answer is cash book. Say one example, Mr. X opened a bank account, rupees 50,000. Cash book double column, this side balance 50,000, cashier recorded, that is the bank account debit to cash account. This is debit side 50,000 and passbook also credit sides 50,000. But some of the causes are not recorded, one side is recorded only, either recorded cash book or recorded passbook. Now there are two reasons. Number one reason, the difference due to time gap on recording of transaction. Number two, difference due to errors made by trader or by the bank. Okay, now say one example, check issued rupees 5,000 but not recorded in the passbook. What is the causes? Check issued, that means our cashier or firm or owner or cashier recorded credit side. As a result, cash book, what is the balance? 45,000. But passbook is not recorded. Now what is your duty? You reconcile CB equal to PB. Now what is the balance? But in this case balance only 50,000, that is this passbook balance 50,000. Now you reconcile. Reconcile means cash book equal to passbook or passbook equal to cash book. Now this question, check issued rupees 5,000 but not recorded in the passbook. At present, cashier recorded credit side 5,000. At present, their cash book balance 50,000 minus 5,000 equal to 45,000. But passbook is not recorded, delay, time gap. Then what is your duty? You reconcile. You just only see the 45,000 equal to 50,000. No, that is the plus 5,000. Then both sides are equal. Same transaction, but if you are starting passbook, then 50,000 equal to 45,000. Opposite side, that is the 50,000, that this equal to 45,000, that is minus 5,000. That means one item in the cash book minus passbook plus, or opposite, cash book plus passbook minus. Okay, now this is the important point, or otherwise simple sense you apply this cash book and passbook. Okay, now starting first say 20,000 both sides are equal. Clear? Left hand side cash book, right hand side passbook. Say starting 20,000 both sides are equal. One check received but not recorded in the cash book rupees 10,000. That means as a result passbook credited, that is 20,000 plus 10,000, but in these sets are not recorded. What is your duty? Which side is getter? Passbook is getter. Then you reconcile. But starting in your cash book, then cash book add. Both sides are equal. But in the case of say opposite, starting passbook, this equal to not equal, then minus. Okay. Say another example. As per standing instruction, bank payment insurance premium rupees 5,000. First starting 20,000. The bank payment, this is the passbook. Bank payment insurance premium 5,000. Bank balance decreased 5,000. But in this, who is getter? Cash book is getter. Now if you start bank balance as per cash book, then minus. Both sides are equal. But in this opposite, if starting bank balance as per passbook, then add. Okay, this is the simple rules how to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Now let us one example in your books. This is the, see the books. Question number 4. On 30th June 2020, the bank balance as per Sanjay Jadav's cash book was rupees 1,500. On comparing with the passbook, the following information was received. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions are given. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Now this question solve in the board in details. First you format, you just only format BRS as on, or bank reconciliation statement, either so many books plus item or minus item, or you write add or less. Add means plus, less means minus. Now same questions. BRS as on 31st March, as on 30th June 2020, as on 30th June 2020. Now this is the particulars. Plus items or minus item, plus items and minus item. Now first starting bank balance as per cash book. Cash book debit balance means favorable BRS. Suppose in case of credit balance, that is overdraft BRS. Same also, just opposite. Passbook credit balance means favorable BRS. Passbook debit balance means overdraft BRS. Now what is the amount? This is the favorable balance, that means plus 1,500. Okay, first this is the given in the questions. Number 1 causes the following information was received. Check amounting to rupees 7,290 were issued on 20th June, of which one check of rupees 1,000 300 was presented in the bank for payment on 4th July. Now that means you find out the causes. Check amounting 7,200 issued, cash book decrease, CB and PB, cash book and passbook, short form. Cash book decreases 7,290, but passbook is not debited 7,290. Passbook only 1,300 debited after this date. That means as a result, passbook is more decrease, cash book is less decrease. Then your item is how to reconcile, add, plus. Now you write the number 1 causes. You write check issued, but not presented for payment up to 30th June. What is the amount? This plus 1,300. Okay. Second transaction, check deposited into bank for rupees 10,000, but of this check rupees 4,000 were cleared and credited in July. What is the causes? Checks deposited, that means CB, cash book, recorded debit side 10,000, but passbook is not recorded credit side full amount. After 30th June 4,000, that is 6,000 only credited. Now what are the causes difference? Who is greater? Cash book is more 4,000, then cash book in this case less, because you prepare starting cash book. Now you write the answer point number 2, that is check deposited into bank contraenti, but not credited by bank up to 30th June 2020. The amount 4,000. This is the minus. Number 3, interest and dividend on investment rupees 580 collected by bank and credited to his account, but he did not have any information for this. Actually, cash book interest on investment credited, passbook is more, but cash book is not recorded after that date. As a result, what is the effect on that? Is the cash book is less, then your answer is plus or add. Now what is the amount? Then you write interest and dividend, interest on dividend on investments collected by bank, but not entered in cash book. That is, the cash book is plus 580. Point number 4, life insurance premium 750 paid by bank according to standing instruction. That means bank payment 750 for insurance premium. As a result, passbook decreases, cash book is constant. That means passbook is increased. Then passbook is decreases, cash book is constant. Cash book constant means cash book balance increase. Then reconcile, minus. Both sides are equal. Now then you write life insurance premium, short form LIP, life insurance premium paid by bank under standing order or instruction. Okay, what is the amount? That is equal to 750. Okay, now last transaction, point number 5. Bank charges rupees 25 not entered in the cash book. Bank charges means cash book balance is constant, passbook balance is decrease. As a result, cash book is more increase, then minus. Both sides are equal. Now you write bank charges. Bank charges amount 25 minus. Now then you find out the answer, that the total either simple BRS or overdraft BRS. But you are adding this total in this plus items and minus item. Now this is equal to adding 0, 8, that is 3 and 1, 2, 3, 3,380. The important that is you find out not their simple BRS. Last answer is overdraft. Now this side is getter 4,750 plus 75, that is 4,775. Okay, now which side is getter? Minus item is getter, plus is only 3,850. That is the answer is not your positive, unfavorable or overdraft. Now you write the answer. Overdraft balance that is debit as per passbook. What is the amount? This minus this, that is equal to 1, 3, this is equal to 9, 5. Again check 5, 9, 1, 3, 4, 3, 7, 1,395 is known as overdraft balance passbook. But all cases starting your positive balance, but in case of positive side is getter, then also positive balance, not overdraft. But in this case you are not right overdraft, only for your right. Again this is the important point. In case of in this side is getter, minus is getter as compared to plus, that is known as overdraft. Just suppose opposite, plus is getter, minus is less, then overdraft, not overdraft, simple bank balance as per passbook. Understand everybody? Thank you.